Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I'm here at the iconic Tokyo station to head over to the entrance that most of you will probably never use. I didn't know about this entrance until a couple of weeks ago, so I thought I'll just go check it out to see what it's like. So it's been a long time since I came to Tokyo station, and in fact I actually never used the Tokyo station for a long time. So whenever I take bullet trains for the Tohoku, Hokuriku bullet trains, I take it from Ueno because there's less people. And I've never taken a Tokaido bullet train for a long time. I'm looking at Google Maps to find the entrance, and it's saying it's at least a 10-minute walk from here. And I forgot how many big buildings there are around here. Like look at all that. I have to cross. And of course Tokyo Station is famous for having many trains stop by here, including many bullet trains, the regular JR lines. That's the Yamanote line. I'm gonna be completely honest, this is the least exciting train for me in Tokyo. It's more traumatic because every time I take this heading to work, it's packed. Just when I say that, they decided to rub it in by giving me another Yamanote line to look at. This must be nice for train fans working around here. Once they leave this office, they get to see tons of trains. Or maybe they're too tired to look at them, who knows. And this building in front of me is the Tokyo Forum, Tokyo International Forum. Then there's the Tokaido bullet train over there. I'd rather look at this than buildings. Okay, and I have about 3 minutes till I'm at least nearby it. I was like, what the heck is this? But it's a bird. I hope it's okay. Like, I don't want to just touch it and try to help it. I wouldn't feel too bad if it was a pigeon, but if it's like a small, cute, tiny green bird like that, it makes you feel a bit bad. Speaking of pigeons, I have one story to tell you. I was walking along the Sumida River in the Tokyo area, and then I see these two pigeons, right? And these two pigeons were on top of each other. It made me wonder what the heck they're doing. I thought one of them were trying to kill each other. And I was with a friend, and that person was like, is it having... I was like, no way. Then I looked up on my phone, pigeons having, and it was doing the same exact thing. It was like on top of the other one. But ever since I saw that, I'm like, I don't want to see pigeons anymore. Every time I see a pigeon, I think about that. It's pretty traumatic. And I hope no one else has to experience that as well. Well, I'm here at Yurakucho Station right now, and it's supposed to be around here. I thought I'm going to an entrance for the Tokyo Station, not for the Yurakucho Station. I didn't know there's this kind of quiet area here in Yurakucho. Whenever you think of Yurakucho, you think about the nice buildings, fancy stores. But I didn't know there's these quiet, empty shopping district areas. Oh, here it is. The secret Tokyo entrance most of you will probably never use. I don't exactly know where I am right now. Am I closer to Yurakucho Station or am I closer to Tokyo Station? Okay, so this is Google Maps and I am over here right now, and that's where Tokyo Station is. And this is where Yurakucho Station is. So you can tell Yurakucho Station is closer to this area than Tokyo Station. Okay, this place honestly doesn't feel that mysterious because it's bright right now. But it does feel strange that it's like over here. Alright, so I'm just gonna go inside right now. Ooh, it's already spooky. Damn. Whoa. Why are we going all the way down? This is kind of giving me the Higashi Narita Station vibes. Not as scary, but something similar. And then we're back to reality, I guess. This is a train gate that people can use to get on the Keiyo line. Keiyo line is the train that you have to take to head over to Tokyo Disneyland. So I want to go inside but not take any trains. I'm going to buy the Nyujoken, like the entrance ticket. It's the ticket I can use to go through the train gates but not go on any trains. I'm going to just go to the Keiyo line platform. Holy crap, I didn't know the platform for Keiyo line is this deep. I think it's deeper than some subways. You have to go or down. Holy crap. And this is the train. The train color is it's like a mixture of red and pink. Holy crap. It's like a dead end over there. So the Keiyo line platform is really far away from the other JR and Shinkansen platforms, and you may be wondering why. This platform was not originally built for the Keiyo line, it was actually built for the Narita Shinkansen. I talked a little bit about this in my old Narita Airport Station video, but the city was trying to build a bullet train that runs between Tokyo Station and Narita Airport. But this project got cancelled midway because of strong local opposition and concerns over land acquisition. And this project got cancelled after they started building some stations and tracks. So JR decided to use it for the Keiyo line instead, opening it in 1990. To see how far the Keiyo line platform is to the other ones, I'm gonna time myself to see how long it'll take me to get there. Ready, set to go. I'm gonna walk at my normal speed. This ain't a race or anything. We are back to where we started. How do we get to the other JR lines? Oh, it says over here. 中央山手京浜東北東海道上野東京横須賀総武 Wow, there's more escalators. I'm gonna burn some calories and take the stairs instead. Oh damn. There's even these walking escalators over here. Is that how far away it is? It feels like a freaking airport. We have another one. And then there's more escalators going up. I think we're officially at the main part of the Tokyo Station area. So I'm going to stop my timer now. It said 6 minutes. I still have to walk more to get over to any of the other JR platforms. So I think a good guess will be it'll take at least 10 minutes for you to transfer from a non-Keiyo JR line to the Keiyo line. That's crazy. That's a big transfer, a big long transfer. And then looking at this scenery reminded me of why I never take the bullet train from Tokyo Station. I don't know where I am right now, and I don't know how to get out of here. I think this will be a good time for me to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The algorithm thinks you'll like this video over here, so feel free to watch it if you want. Alright, bye bye.